Okay, so now we're going to show you guys how the riser and the tread is being installed. We're going to use some adhesive, some glue, and this is it right here. This is actually the liquid nails, heavy duty. This is a construction adhesive, and this is the big tube along with the dispenser. If you have not used or not familiar with some of the dispenser, we recommend this one. It has a spring loaded on there, so it makes it a lot easier and more accurate when you're spreading that adhesive on there. So we're going to show you guys that. So definitely you need a good dispenser to do this. So that's the construction adhesive going where the riser is going to be installed. Again, this riser is going to be angled slightly. Okay, we have that shimmy there that's going to bring it tight to where the stair nose is going to go, and we're going to angle it down a little bit. So after this, we'll show you guys the tread going on. So you can see it right there. Okay, two different angles. We do use, depending on the location, the nail gun as well, which is there, to be able to secure it tightly and snugly, just like you see the finished product on the ones up on top, the risers and the treads up on top. So there it is right there. It's going on tightly. So Elijah's securing it on there, making sure that everything is nice and even and tight fit. So he's using that as a guide for the nail gun. He created that guide, and that way the nails are all lined up pretty, and you really can't even see them on the previous risers. So here we go. Nails going in right where he marked it off. So we have glue, we have nail, and as you look at the riser, you cannot see that nail. I can't even see it from here. So it looks very, very clean. Look at the previous stairs as well. Same thing.
Cut.
On this one, he trimmed off. You can see he trimmed that tread there, and that allows him to fit it in nice and tight here, right where the stair nose is going to go in. And here's the stair nose, and you can see it's got a clip there. Okay, so right now he's just looking for the measurement, making sure everything's good, and then he's going to secure. There's a clip, a metal clip, which is going to help secure that into place. So he's checking it. That goes right over the boards. So here he's going to check the thickness of that, or actually, let's see. No, it's actually the distance. Now he's measured it off. Now he's measured off or that back portion there. And he's doing 2 places to be sure that it's pretty accurate. As you know, a lot of these stairs are not squared off, so
This need just a little more.
just a little more, okay, on that one, to make it nice and tight.
Yeah, this can maybe different size, no problem.
Okay. So he's marking off where he's going to be cutting on this board.
Yeah, be careful.
Okay, so here he's marking off with a board to make sure we get it lined up just right where the cut's going to be. It's somewhat, if you want to say squared off or lined up where it should be. Now he's got the cut line. Now it's just a matter of going out to the table saw and chopping it. Okay, so now he's drilling little starter holes because he's going to put in screws that allows him to raise that tread and that little back portion of the tread as well. Raises the floor up a little bit, so to speak, and that allows that tread to fit in very nicely and snug with the riser. So he's drilling in pre-marked areas, and those are the starter holes for the screws. These are the construction screws that are going to be used to raise that tread, so to speak. You can see these are zinc base number 8s, 1 1/4, and these you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's. So now he's putting in the screws on all the pre-marked, pre-drilled areas. And once he puts in the tread, he checks and to see if he needs to raise up a little or not. Okay, that one's not cooperating.